Become a good trader. Become a good trader, and you need to learn the skill, master the skill, master the art of trading. It's never an easy journey. It's never easy, but it's possible. So this is how I value the money that I have. Whatever amount of money that you have, please value it and make sure that you keep on learning. You keep on learning. And if you don't actually, when you learn the right information about trading Forex, you actually one of the 1% at the top level, because with that information you can go far. There's no limit on how far you can go. So you become a student, you learn every day, and it might actually save you 5 years of losses if you find someone who's going to teach you, someone who's going to mentor you, someone who's going to hold you all the way to the profit world, because it's about to be a rough place for you to actually be without having anyone to assist you. Because one thing that I've learned, it's don't become a follower. Be a student. Learn from others. Learn from others and learn from me, and make up your own decision. Don't be a follower. Don't follow anyone. But make sure that you have the right information about trading, because it's going to take you from point A to point B, where you want to be. And here it's how I trade and how I roll. So this is my real account, real experience for trading. And for anyone who wants to make it, who wants to grow, just know that whatever amount of money that you have, please value that amount of money and make sure you stick to your trading plan always. Because most of us, we actually don't care about a trading plan when we are trading real money. We just trade, and ending up what? Losing. So with that in mind, please take care of yourself, take care of your account, and let's grow together. Let's be in this family and grow.